god.
This is so amazing. Oh my gosh.
Look at his long toes. He's got Tony's toes.
So you can see them.
You know what? I feel like he has my mouth. See his little bracelet? I think he looks like the Gus. For the first baby that I get to actually look at, being my own is very overwhelming. And even to look at my husband looking at him was just such a good feeling. I got to fall in love with him. I love his lips because they're my lips.